ProFit system, an innovative installation method. Avoid mistakes. Watch the entire video before you begin the installation. Package contents: 1x Hardy paper effect, square UEG cleaning cloth set. Clean the screen first with the wet cloth and then with the dry cloth. This is a very important step. The screen must be completely clean before installation. Installation is quick and easy. Just 4 simple steps. 1. Positioning. Initial adhesive layer. Remove the white protective backing from the initial adhesive layer by gently pulling tab 1 downward. Place the installation set onto the device surface. At this stage, you can still adjust its position freely. Gently press the material down using the squeegee. Gently press the material down using the squeegee. Did dust particles get trapped underneath the film? Don't worry, the initial adhesive layer will remove them during steps 2 and 3. Note: demonstration only. Skip this step during actual installation. 2. Installation. First side. Lift one side of the set using tab. 2. Bend the material up to 180 degrees so that the pre-cut layer can slide freely across the device surface. Use the squeegee to assist. 3. Installation. Second side. Repeat the same process on the other side of the set. Lift the material using tab. 3. Bend the material up to 180 degrees so that the pre-cut layer can slide freely across the device surface. Use the squeegee to assist. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. 4. Finished. Protective layer. Use tab 4 to remove the protective top layer. If any air bubbles remain, remove them using the squeegee. Any remaining imperfections should disappear within 48 hours. Done!